With the name of Allah, who is kind and merciful to all human beings, not only all human beings but also others' creations. But man has superiority in the eyes of Allah. And we are agitating here for 145 days at the Karachi Press Club. For the sake of we are demanding that all the candidates they are present in the Sindh and they have passed the IBA Sakhar examination as a teacher. But the government has changed the policies according to because of all the candidates they have passed, and we demand all the candidates, the Sindh government and the Minister of Education, Sardar Ali Shah, please pay attention. You may attention to all the candidates, and we are our age, and we request you. Not only we request you, Minister Saab, but also that we request the chairman of the Pakistan People's Party, Bilawal Bhutto Sahab, and the president of Pakistan, Asif Ali Zardari Sahab, and the staff, chief of staff army, Munir Asim Sahab. And now we are here because of we are over age all that. Just like I have passed the MA English, and also after this I have appeared in the IBA Sakhar examinations, and I have passed the examination as a teacher. That all candidates, suppose many they can, and we request that the chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari Sahib, please, by God, and you view our cases and we our rights, and you know better according to our content and according to our solutions that we are Pakistan. It is the duty of the government of Pakistan and the handsome job for the citizens of the Pakistan. And we are requesting the CM of Sindh, Murad Ali Shah Sahab, and we have been agitating here for 155 days, please. And according to the IBA Sakhar's policies, universities policies, please, Sardar Ali Shah Sahab, and we are requesting you and all candidates they have, and please sir, inshallah you will be able to permanent for our, and you change the policies according to the, and you know better about that according to the law, the Goem Sakhar High Court at this time the Salahuddin Pawar Sahab, and he decided that all candidates they have passed the 40 pillars, and inshallah, and he ordered to the government of Sindh, and you will be able to and adjust them according to the policy. And we request you, CM Sindh and Sardar Ali Shah Sahab, please you pay attention according to our, and we are our age all candidates, please inshallah you pay attention according to our case.